Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be replacing this light switch with the flat type switch. So first thing we're going to do is kill the power to this for safety. That's not killing the power, but we're going to head to the breaker and make sure the power is shut off in the breaker room. Our first step is to take the cover off. So you'll need a flat screwdriver for this. So these switches are then mounted with two very fine thread bolts that thread into the electrical box itself. And then we just pull these straight out. Now we can take these off. Off that one will come. So there's our red and there's our black. And there's the old switch. So we'll unbox our new light switch. One of the problems with the previous switch is it was installed upside down, so we want to make sure that we mount this one properly so that we're correcting for that. And that should be, and we'll test it. Let's get that one in there secured. So now we're confirming that we have everything connected and secure. We're going to do that by going and turning on the breaker and coming back and very carefully just trying the switch before we put it into the wall. Okay, so we have it mounted properly. Now you can see we've got our power lines here. So we could be crazy and just push this back in and hope that nothing touches. But safety first. We're going to go shut the breaker back off, and then we'll push this in and secure it. So breaker's off. Get these wires back in. And we want to line up these. As you can see, the box area there. And don't worry about getting it perfectly adjusted, because there's little adjustments built into it. There we go. So these can all slide, so you can do a bit of a final adjustment on them after you get them close like this. And we can take a look with our new cover. We should have a couple of screws in it. So this cover will go on. And for those of us with a touch of OCD, we're either going to have both of these level, or we're going to have both go straight up and down. Now we just need to put the power back on and we're all set. Light switch completed. Then we'll put the breaker back on and go back and give everything one last check.